Alyssa and Malia.
Malia.
Yeah, and here's our cooking corner.
Yes, and we're gonna bake pumpkin pie. Hey, let's not set the house on fire.
So first, to make a good crust, a great crust, you're gonna take your 1.25 cups of flour here, put it in a bowl with your teaspoon of salt. And then you're gonna incorporate this butter until the flour makes pea-sized little balls, and then you're gonna gradually add in this water here. I'll heat it up a little bit.
My hands. Oh no. That's that looks delicious.
You can see it. So you're just gonna go for it. You're just gonna roll out that crust over a floured surface so that it doesn't stick together. It's best not to shove it in, but just to gently, gently work it in.
For the filling of pumpkin pie, you're gonna need a 16-ounce can of pumpkin. You're also gonna need nutmeg, ginger, and a couple other spices, but for simplicity, we're using pumpkin pie spice. You also need 3 eggs, evaporated milk, sugar, and regular milk. So first you want to put the pumpkin spice, sugar, and pumpkin in together, kind of mix it around until it's a nice consistency. Oh god, it looks so ugly. Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna mix in your regular milk. Stir that a little bit and then put in your evaporated milk. Oh man, this is getting milky. Now evaporated milk time. Let's do a part at a time. Nah, we're going full send. Full send. You must acquire 3 eggs per pie. We're making 2.
Wait. 6 eggs.
6.
It's not pretty.
Now that we have added eggs, we cannot eat this until it is baked.
Coward.
Every drop counts. So we're gonna rubber spatula this boy. Oh yeah. Now we're pouring our filling into our crusts.
So we need to cover the crust with foil so that it gets nice and crispy.
There you go. Alright, she's baked for 25 minutes. Now we're gonna take off that foil there and bake her for 25 more. Oh my god!
Let me get my emotional support toes.
This is it. Oh my god. Is that a real pie?
Let's dig in.
How would you say you graded this pie on looks?
On looks, it's a solid
Let's do
C-
filling first.
C+.
What's the looks on the filling here?
The looks on the filling is great. That filling, A+. Right there.
Alright.
Yeah.
What about the crust?
Well, if there was enough crust to actually grade, I might be able to say something.
Yeah, it did peel up just a bit on the edges there.
It's not noticeable.
And finally, what do you think our grade will be on the taste here?
It's gonna be an A+. We're the best cooks out there.
Miss Crocker,
Miss Crocker.
hold your socks because they might come off.
We made a decent pie.
That's a solid 6 out of 10.
Yeah, that's
We're passing! Yeah! No, would you say this is a pie?
This is indeed a pie.
This here, that there's a pie.
That there? It's
That
a
there,
pie.
that's a pie.
That's a pie.
Well, I guess that's it.
That's it, folks.
This is us signing out, and come back next time for a hopefully Christmas cookie show. I'm Aaliyah signing out, and
I'm Alyssa signing out from
from Cookin' Corner.
Cooking Corner. Yeah.